Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset File Explorer view in Windows 11. So click on Start. Now here type folder options. Then click on File Explorer options. Now here click on View. Here guys you will see two options. You can apply this view such as details or icons to all folders of this type. And here is the option reset folders. So just guys you have to click on reset folders. We want to reset all folders of this tab to the default view settings. Click on view and click on OK. That's it. So this is the way guys you can reset File Explorer view in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.